have?
Snail.
Mm-hmm.
Elephant.
Ooh.
And another elephant.
So we gonna be reading?
Ooh.
And a heart.
Ooh, I like it.
We gonna be reading? We open all of them.
It's not a Rolls Royce. Just open it.
Oh, another box.
It's a trick box.
Bro, what kind of guy? The kind got it. Rich. He got a lot.
She got a what?
Kind got rich.
What is it?
That, look, okay? That was not on purpose.
Just open it. Wow.
Y'all sure having a hard time. What the hell is that, madam?
What's that?
Oh, walkie-talkie.
Hopefully nobody talks to you through that.
Nope, I'm opening this toy now.
What is that, Danielle?
Oh,
Hey.
thank you.
I'm gonna open this toy now, bro. I'm gonna open this
That's
toy now.
Hey, what is that?
That's in my video, you
Let me
guys.
see.
Nope,
Now,
I'm
hold it
opening
up.
this now.
So I know how bad you wanted that one. Hey, can you look at me? Thank you.
Okay, on to the next. Hurry up.
This is ours too, right?
I guess Danielle's done because that's all Danielle's gifts.
For real?
Yep, that's all I got is that.
There's stuff back there. Who's it all those?
Oh, fucking hell, Danielle's.
Can somebody open this?
No, madam, we gotta open.
Wait, put it over there.
This is ours.
We're gonna open everything. When everything's done, we're gonna play Nerf. That's why I got it.
Come here.
And snowballs.
Look,
Come here.
baby.
Come
Look.
here. This is ours.
You got a chair.
Okay.
Yeah, you got a mini chair.
What is it?
I don't know.
You need to hurry up. Oh my! Come on!
Oh my gosh, I am weak. How do I?
You are strong. So funny.
I want to know what it is. No.
You should.
I should?
Yeah.
You want me to help you put in?
Huh?
You want me to help you?
No. I can guess.
Baby, open it.
I said yes.
No, you don't throw stuff at people though. That's disrespectful. You are so mean. Almost there.
It's a.
Oh.
It's paper?
Roblox.
You like it?
Yes.
Hey.
Come right here.
Thank you, Sil. Like, I'm mad to really just like holding my ball. My ball.
Skateboard.
What is it?
A skateboard. I can go riding on the road.
That is so funny.
It's so
Oh, let me see.
It's the final.
Show it to me. Hey, hold on, baby. Don't move, okay? Now it's time for the stocking. All right, who's first? Ladies first. Elizabeth.
Trying to guess.
Like, how do you want Madden's toy? Like, what? Here. This is Madden's. My bad. And then Nikaya. Nikaya, here. Let me give it to your mommy. What the hell is that? I didn't put that shit in there. Was that you? Oh, look at. Well, how much you got, boy? $75?
$160.
$160?
And
What happened? I
Express.
didn't give him $160.
You better say that. Look, is that a tear? Here, alright. Oh, we doing a picture? I was recording. Okay, hold on. No.